Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Apple AirPods 4 and I'm going to tell you how to fix that your microphone isn't working on your Windows laptop or PC. So, if we are going to our Windows PC, we have to click on this sound icon over here. Let me just increase the brightness level. Here, as you can see, we have the volume icon, and if we click on it, we have to click on this over here. Here we have to select output to our AirPods, and we have to go into our volume mixer below clicking this gear icon. Here, as you can see, we have input device microphone array. We have to click on this and select headset AirPods, and now we will have our microphone on our Windows PC defaultly set to our AirPods. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.